Hello! Our creative team has released a course for those who want to learn a fundamentally new craft, video workshop on cutting, processing and artistic glass matting at home. This course was prepared specifically for those people who have the creative potential and desire to learn new knowledge and skills with which you can earn good money without leaving your apartment. There are few people who won't like to have such an opportunity, not to depend on anybody, to work as much as you want, right at home, not to limit yourself in money, to be your own boss, and finally, just to plan your working hours by yourself. Having studied a video course, The Secret of Glass, competently applying the knowledge and skills in practice, you can become a true professional, which, believe me, in each city is not so much, and people who want to use the services of a specialist, just a huge amount. So, your task is to gain knowledge, to fix it in practice, and to let people know that for their money, you're ready to create any miracle from glass and mirror. What is our video course, which takes up almost 12 gigabytes of memory on the 3 DVDs? To get the answer to this question, simply click on the Download Video Course Content button. You will download the ebook executable file to your computer. By launching this book, you will be able to read the contents of the entire video course, read a detailed description of the topic of each video lesson, view pictures from each workshop, watch a video presentation of the course, as well as read the information on how to properly request to purchase this unique and only in the internet material, which represents 8.5 hours of highly professional training video. We wish you a pleasant viewing and easy learning. Throughout the course, you will gradually learn more and more secrets of both cutting and working glass and decorating glassware. We will reveal the most valuable secrets of the skill and give you many years of professional experience. After studying this video course, you will easily and laughingly take on the work you never ever dreamed of, which you thought only professionals in specialized workshops with the appropriate equipment could do. We will teach you how to cut glass as easily as you cut paper. We will tell you and give you the professional secrets how to cut a round mirror or any complicated shape. We will teach and show you how to drill holes of different diameters in glass with an ordinary electric drill and drill them through so that the edges of the hole remain perfectly flat without any chips. We will learn where you can get the material for your products for next to nothing. We will teach you how to make, with the help of paste and fluid for frosted glass, such highly artistic articles, looking at which nobody will be able to say that they are made in an ordinary apartment on the table, and also many other things.
Глядя на которые никто не сможет сказать, что они изготовлены в обычной квартире на столе, а также многое другое.